Hey everyone, my name's Hattie and I am 1/3 of theatre company and drag trio Bonnie and The Bonnettes. So I'm going to be joining some of you on Saturday the 10th of April from 11 a.m. for a workshop all about crafting your own character and coming up with your very own persona. This could be a fabulous drag persona, whether it's a drag queen or a drag king. It could be a character that maybe you've got an idea for a script you're writing or a story, a novel. Or it might be a character that's inspired by a beloved character of yours from a TV show or a film. We're going to be playing some games, we're going to be getting silly, and this whole workshop, it's all about play, having fun, and just letting yourself go. All you need to have prepared and bring with you is some paper and a pen or a pencil, whichever you can find, and maybe come prepared with a few props, some costumey bits, but there's no pressure to have this ready because we can do some quick fire treasure hunts around the house to come up with some bits and bobs. And remember everyone, the great thing about this workshop is that you can do it from the comfort of your very own home. It will be via Zoom. You don't need to travel anywhere. You don't need to go into venue. So yeah, pressure free. What more could you want?